All right, now we're going to take a look at the missing term problems. It's numbers 16 to 23 on page 138. And basically this is like equivalent fractions, same idea. So number 19 has a 7 to 13 ratio, and they're saying that that's the same thing or equal to 77 to a missing number. So I think it's easier for me to see this if I set it up like fractions. On my paper, I would write like this, and then the first number goes on the top, and then we have a missing number right down here. So we just think like, what do we do to go from 7 to 77? We multiply that by 11. So then we do 13 times 11, and I'm going to do that off to the side. Always show how you're solving this stuff. 13 times 1, 13 times 1, and so we have 143. So the missing number is 143. And let's look at this one. We got 30 over 48 is equal to something over 8. And this one, instead of multiplying, we're getting smaller. So we're going to divide 48 by 6. And we have to do that also to the other number. So 30 divided by 6 is 5. So the missing number is 5.